Welcome to data science skills. This is very interesting term and people use it often without realizing what data science is. So in order to understand data science, we are understanding it from the data science process perspective. Whenever we are dealing with data, first of all, we have raw data. This data is something which can come from variety of sources. It can come from sensors, it can be a set of transactions or social media input, and it does not provide any meaningful information on its own, right? So this data has to be collected from various sources. So there are methods of collecting data bases, collecting data and storing it into databases. You will do things like primary collection, secondary collection of data, using APIs, web scraping. So there are a lot of things involved in here. Once you have the data, then you have to clean the data, right? And it is a pre-processing, right? So whatever inconsistencies are there, so you remove them and make it into a put it into a suitable format, and this suitable format would help you in analysis. Then comes the data storage and management, right? Making sure that you have data sets like data lakes or data warehouses where data is clearly and very efficiently organized so that you have access to this data when you need it. And then processing of the data starts. The first stage is you create a descriptive analysis. You want to know, okay, what happened. So you are trying to summarize the historical facts. And then you move to the higher level of analysis, which is known as a diagnostic analysis. And you want to know, okay, how come this thing happened? And you try to establish the relationship between various factors and variables through uh, correlation analysis, root cause analysis, and you do a lot of data drill downs. Then you come to the predictive analysis. This is higher level of analysis. You are trying to establish that, okay, with these historical trends, what is likely to happen in future, right? So you will use techniques like regression analysis, time series forecasting, right? So there is a lot of statistics and maths involved in here, and machine learning also. And because machine learning would help you to get to the next level of analysis, which is recommender systems, right? Suggesting the solutions, right? Okay, if this has happened, what is the solution? Because eventually there are business dimensions. Eventually every data science project has a business case. It means you have to establish the feasibility of this data analysis project, that whatever I am doing, this will bring more benefits than its cost, right? So that is why you have to have a solution at the end of the day, right? And then definitely you, according to the recommender system, take an action which is decisive action. You implement the insights that you have gained from this. So data analysis is all about all these steps. And in this series, data science skills, we will get into the dimensions of these, not only from conceptual point of view, but we will do things like statistical analysis for data science using Python, statistical dimensions of data science using R as a programming language. Similarly, we will do data science projects using and applications using Python and R as well. We will be using platforms like Positron IDE and also VS Code. So welcome to Data Science Skills. Thanks for joining.